Hi, this is Sherman Crancer from the Crancer Group. Thank you so much for joining. Today we're going to be talking about package building concepts. So the very first thing that we want to talk about is the theory of the partner of tomorrow. So we talk about that a lot with a lot of our partners, and it's the theory of changing your business, evolving into the partner that is dependent on creating a managed services solution that is geographically encumbered. Right? It's actually changing the way that you market your services, learning how to reduce the number of services. So what we can do is focus on increasing business growth, increasing profitability, increasing utilization rate of your current resources, and decreasing the total cost of sale, which will really help. So let's talk a little bit about this. So the first thing that you would do is align to your current verticals. So what I would suggest is that you actually take your current list of customers that you currently have and section them out. What is the top industry that you service? So that's vertical 1, second industry, vertical 2, third industry, vertical 3. We want to give you guidance on selecting 3 verticals just in case we have a recession or we have something going on, you're recession proof. Next, you want to think about solving problems and solutions. One of the biggest mistakes most MSPs make is the fact that they focus on how do we create some new problem? What's a new problem? What's a new solution? That's not it. You currently are solving problems and creating solutions. So just go back to what you did recently for customers and take a list, put a list together of what you did. Now, what we're going to talk about here is the package building concept, of evolving, turning into the partner of tomorrow. And that is based on 3 separate packages. One is a proof of concept package. Now, this proof of concept or micro package is designed to allow people to buy services from you today, right now, without actually having to contact you or getting 6 or 7 different signatures. So what I mean by that is the proof of concept might be for, let's say, manufacturing. It might start out with a Power BI, business analytics or business intelligence, a simple skin that connects to 2 different APIs, right? 2 different things, data points that comes from their CRM, something that the customer might like to see that doesn't get to see right now. Second, you add a few Microsoft 365 licenses, maybe Azure Active Directory, and then cloud managed services. So get away from the fully managed services because you don't want to be sending people out to reset printer drivers. That kills your profitability, right? That decreases your utilization rate. So we want to create a proof of concept package that's easy, that solves a problem, maybe by data insights or security or something that you have that can solve a problem that you currently solve right now. Right? So second is the gold package. And we have to think about psychology. What does that really mean? Well, that's the package that I want you to think about. That's where you want every customer to go to. Okay. You want customers to kind of funnel their way in there. You want the customers that you can evaluate on a proof of concept package for 3 months to see, gosh, they got to get the gold because now the gold comes with 5 or 6 APIs into, through that business intelligence portal that you're putting together or solving other things that you can provide to them. It doesn't have to be all Microsoft, but you can put in other things that is solving problems right now around security or whatever. Then the third concept is having a third package called the platinum package, right? Now, what we want you to think about this is you want the platinum package to be 2 to 3 times the cost of your middle package. And the reason why, there's 2 psychological triggers you want to think about. One is there's people out there that want the fully loaded S-Class Mercedes. That's about 3% of the population. And if they want to buy all the services from you, great. You put it at 3 times the cost of your gold, and your profit margin should be anywhere between 62 and 72%. Great, both of you are happy. Both of you are getting everything that you want to do. But now the second psychology trigger is that the rest of the folks out there, they love to look at the S-Class Mercedes, fully loaded, right? However, they think, the E-Class is great, and that's your middle. So now what you end up doing is you end up forcing people down into one repeatable package that everybody starts buying, and then you continually become better and better and better and better, right, at that. Next, guidance to become co-sell ready for Microsoft. I mentioned this on our recent call. Very important if you're a Microsoft partner to go through the co-sell ready process so that now you're vetted in the eyes of Microsoft and you have a solution in the marketplace.